How to fix blurry screen and font text in Windows 10 and Windows 11. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. It is very easy, and if you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now to get started, you are going to right click on your desktop, then go to display settings. Then it will land you here, so ensure that you have selected display. Then you will scroll down a little bit. Then under scale and layout, ensure that you have chosen the recommended size, so ensure that it is 100% recommended. Then under display resolution, you are also again to select the recommended one. So you will select the one which has been recommended there. Then once you've done that, you will close settings. Then you will go to your taskbar, then click on search. Then search for advanced system. So you are going to see this software here. View advanced system settings. Click on it. Then this pop-up will appear on your screen. So at the top here, you ensure that you have selected advanced. Then go to settings. Then select adjust for best appearance. Then once you've done that, click apply. Then click OK. Then OK. Then after you have done that, you will now go again to the search on your taskbar. Then search for clear type text. So it will appear on the search result there. So click on it to open it. Then ensure that you have checked this one. Ensure that it is checked. Then click on next. Then next. Then click the text sample that looks best to you. So you can choose the one that looks best to you. So you will be clicking on next to select the one that you want. Once you've done that, you are going to click on finish. Again, you are going to go to your Windows icon, right click on it, then go to device manager. Then this window will pop up on your screen. So here you are going to go to display adapters. Click on that drop down arrow. Then you are going to select the first here. Right click on it, then update. Then browse my computer for drivers. Then you are going to click on this option here. Then select the first option. Then next. As you can see, Windows has successfully updated your drivers. So you are going to close. Then if you have another display adapter, as you can see I have two here. You are going to right click on it again, then update, then browse my computer, then select this option. Then you are going to select the driver, then next. Now as you can see, Windows has successfully updated your driver. So you are just going to click on close. Then just click on close. Then you will need to restart your computer, and once you have restarted your computer, your screen will be clear. That's how to fix blurry screen and font text in Windows 10 and Windows 11. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.